Hi everyone, this is Selvi. Today's interview question is it mandatory for a Scrum Master to attend daily stand-up meeting? The answer is it's not at all mandatory. Now let's try to understand why it is not mandatory and why this question is first of all coming. We always think that as Scrum Masters facilitating this meeting, it's the responsibility of Scrum Master to conduct this meeting and the whole ownership lies with Scrum Master. It is not true. Scrum Master is just a facilitator here, just a facilitator. And the complete responsibility of the daily stand up meeting is with the development team. So that itself clearly says that Scrum Master and product owner are optional for this meeting. Then why Scrum Master is facilitating the meeting? In general, how situation is like, if we take co-located team, then it's fine. The entire team is in the same place. But when it is a distributed team members are available and working from different parts of the world. So now someone who wants to facilitate, which will be the best time, align with the team members and come up with a plan and just schedule that meeting and facilitate it. That whole responsibility of facilitation is taken by Scrum Master and not the responsibility of the meeting or not the ownership of the meeting. The ownership or the responsibility of the daily stand-up meeting is with the development team. So even if Scrum Master is not available, team can very well go ahead and conduct the meeting and they can very well collaborate. The whole purpose of this meeting is not about status sharing. It is all about collaboration. When I say collaboration, for example, I am working on a particular user story or a task. I am sharing some kind of information, what I am doing, like this is what I'm going to do today. That's what I'm telling. Now, another team member is saying, hey, don't do that because I have done a very similar module. You can reuse it. So, this kind of collaboration is the one that we are expecting. And I'm telling, hey guys, I'm kind of like blocked. I'm looking for this work tomorrow. I may be working on this, but I'm seeing a kind of blocker over there or something, a roadblock is coming for that. Now another team member is saying, hey, don't worry about that. This same issue I have also faced it and we can very well fix it. I know the fix for that. This is what the collaboration is all about. It's about team. But certainly there are some action items that will be owned by the Scrum Master and the product owner. So if they are not available in the meeting, they need to share that information. What is the status of the dependency? If the dependency is owned by the Scrum Master or the product owner, and if there are any priority changes, product owner should inform. So that is the main thing the presence of Scrum Master and product owner is going to impact. Like for example, for the upcoming sprint or from certain retrospective action items, Scrum Master is owning it, and Scrum Master is supposed to share some updates about that, like how far is the dependency is going to harm us, or whether we'll be able to solve the dependency, whether that particular work item can be picked up in the upcoming sprint or not. Based on the information that Scrum Master is going to share, these all things can be decided. We will be able to understand the criticality of the dependency and the flow of the dependency towards the closure. Now, Scrum Master is not available means we will be missing that update. We will be missing that information. We will be missing that how to manage that situation. Similarly, if product owner is not available, on that particular day, if there is some kind of priority changes that need to be expressed, our team is looking for some kind of call related to the priority within the sprint backlog items. Those kind of things we need some support. That is the whole reason Scrum Master and product owner are available in the meeting. And definitely there will be some action items there that may come up that will be shared by the team. For example, what is the whole view about the sprint backlog? Are we on track? Like, is there any kind of challenges that we are foreseeing now? Or is there any roadblock that is coming ahead? So all those things team will be sharing. So someone should take that ownership to resolve those issues, to resolve those dependencies, so that team will be smooth with the execution. That whole work is with Scrum Master. Now, if Scrum Master is not available in the meeting, how to manage it? very well you can share that information, but it is not necessary. If Scrum Master is not there, okay, let's not have the daily stand-up meeting at all. That is not the scenario. If you have any action items, even for Scrum Master, even for product owner, connect with them. We have different communication tools that we are using today. Just share those action items to them, like these are the action items that we have realized from our daily stand-up meeting and we want some support. Scrum Master will be owning that, and Scrum Master, according to the nature of that issue, he or she will be working for the resolution with the respective people and get back with the information. But it is not mandatory for Scrum Master or product owner to join the daily stand-up meeting. And there is also one more scenario that we can observe. If Scrum Master is not available, let's cancel the meeting. No, that is not the right scenario. Because the meeting is not for Scrum Master. The meeting is for the entire team to collaborate and share the information and understand the roadblocks and get to know where are we with the sprint. So Scrum Master is optional. So we should not cancel the daily stand-up meeting just because Scrum Master is not available. The facilitator is not available, so let's cancel that meeting. No, it is not the meeting for Scrum Master. It is the meeting for the team, and this meeting is owned by the development team. This is what I want to share in this episode. This is a very important interview question, I can say, because always we try to understand it in a way, oh, because the facilitator is Scrum Master, if Scrum Master is not available, the meeting may get cancelled, or there will be no one to manage that meeting. So it may not happen ideally. That is what the understanding is all about, but it is not true. Scrum Master is optional for this meeting, and daily stand-up meeting is owned by the development team. And if development team feels that there are action items for Scrum Master or product owner, they can very well share those information after the meeting, even if they are not attending. So these are the details I want to discuss in this particular episode as part of the interview question. Thanks everyone for listening. Happy learning and stay tuned.